On today, I catch up with Kevin Hart and possibly the nicest bloke in Hollywood, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. And I will.
What did you say to him?
We'll see you tomorrow from 5:30.
Oh.
First to the share market, and there was a rebound from yesterday's $46 billion wipeout. The jitters have been about interest rates, with next week's Reserve Bank meeting looming large. Woodside today shot to a 3-year high on strong profit numbers. Baby formula company Bubs Australia announced record sales, but shareholders spat the dummy anyway. And Qantas rose again. It's now jumped 16% since reporting a huge loss last week. To currency, and the Australian dollar was slightly lower. It's now level against the US and the euro. And finally, a rare baseball card has sold for over $18 million, setting a new record for sporting memorabilia. The 1952 Mickey Mantle card is in near perfect condition and would have been in a packet worth 1 cent when it was first bought.
Chris, thank you. Let's go to fuel. The average price for unleaded, $1.78.4 a litre. Diesel, $2.05.2. Here's Amber.
It has been a warm and partly cloudy day with gusty northwesterlies. This is Harrington Park earlier. It was our warmest day in nearly 4 weeks, reaching 25 degrees in Penrith and Campbelltown, 24 in Blacktown and Liverpool, 22 in Terry Hills and 24 in the city. That is 6 degrees above average. We saw a few scattered showers across inland New South Wales, but it was generally less than a millimetre of rain, if anything. Coastal areas, in contrast, were warm and fine, 2 to 6 degrees above average, reaching 23 in Bateman's Bay and Newcastle, 24 the top in Wollongong. Tomorrow, a trough off the east coast will trigger a few showers and storms over southeastern Queensland and northeastern New South Wales. Showers increasing in Brisbane tomorrow, heading for a top of 24 degrees, staying fine in Canberra, 17, partly cloudy in Melbourne, heading for 16 degrees, cloudy and 15 in Adelaide, with sunshine on the way for Perth, 22. The only substantial rain we're expecting tomorrow is across northeastern New South Wales, with a widespread 1 to 10 millimetres, and that will develop in the afternoon, heaviest around the northern rivers. Southern New South Wales will see tops in the mid to high teens, heading for 16 in Albury and in Wagga Wagga, 17 in Batemans Bay and Griffith. Northern New South Wales will be several degrees warmer, with tops mainly in the low 20s, expecting 21 degrees in Newcastle and Coffs Harbour, 24 on the way for Grafton. Sydney will be partly cloudy tomorrow. There is a 40% chance of a light shower. That will happen most likely in the late morning to afternoon. If it arrives, it will be less than a millimetre, and we'll see light southeasterly winds. It will still be quite warm, but not as warm as today, heading for 22 degrees in Penrith, 20 across Kellyville, Parramatta and Liverpool, 18 for Terry Hills and Cronulla, and we're expecting a top of 20 degrees in the city. That is still 2 degrees warmer than average. Let's take a look ahead, and Thursday is the first day of spring, and again we're looking at just a possible light shower, a top of 21 degrees. Showers on Friday will bring 3 to 6 millimetres of rain and a top of 18. Those light showers continue across the weekend, but it will be cool with tops of 17, nights staying fairly mild, ranging from 9 to 12 degrees. In our west, Thursday will be dry, a top of 23, a few showers on Friday, a top of 20 degrees. The weekend looking mainly fine at this stage, cooling down a little though, with tops of 19 to 20. Those overnight lows ranging from 6 to 10 degrees, Pete.
Amber, thank you. Tracy is next with a current affair. That is 9 News for this Tuesday. I'm Peter Overton. I hope you have a good evening. From all of us, good night.